Hi everyone, welcome back to Get to Know Visipol International Students. I'm Fania and today we're going to talk with two amazing students from Timor-Leste who are currently studying here at Visipol UGM. We'll talk about why they decided to study in Indonesia, what it's like to live in Yogyakarta, and of course, how their experience has been a part of our Visipol community. So, hi guys, so happy to have you here. And before we dive in, could you please introduce yourself?
Okay. Hello guys, I'm Vandiano Suarez Martins. I'm from Timor-Leste and now I'm studying at Visipol.
Okay guys, hi. So my name is Sergio Camarão Atede Pereira and I'm from Timor-Leste. So now I'm studying in Visipol at PSDK, Pembangunan Sosial dan Kesejahteraan.
So let's start from the beginning. What made you decide to study in Indonesia and why did you choose Visipol UGM? Was there something special that caught your attention?
I think for culture, Indonesia and Timor-Leste, we have a little same culture. And why I chose Indonesia because it's geographical and cultural proximity to Timor-Leste, and Visipol UGM was selected for good reputation and relevant study program.
And how about you?
So for me, I think as my friend said before that our culture is quite similar, and then I particularly want to study at Visipol because especially in my department, social development and welfare, because previously I worked at the NGO, the Asia Foundation, and we work closely with the community and social, so that it's empowered me to continue my master degree here. Yeah.
Okay. Now that you have been studying for a while, how's your experience so far? Do you have any favorite courses or lectures that really made an impression for you?
So far for me, I'm very satisfied studying here. Yeah, because all of the subjects are related for me and for what is my aim for, particularly in social empowerment. So it's make me very happy to study here, and also some of the subject that I'm really interested is a corporate social responsibility, CSR. CSR. I like it very much, and then the method that the lectures use is very simple, and it make us to easily to understand the method, and then also Mas Baharudin, the style of teaching is very good.
Oh.
Yeah.
I'm so curious, how do you find the learning system here compared back home in Timor-Leste? Is it more discussion based or maybe more hands-on?
Okay, for me in Timor-Leste, we are like a developing country, so the education system haven't reached like
in
here. Yeah, like in here. So in there many of methods are the manual, like we have to, when we want to submit the assessment, we have to print out and then submit it manually. But here everything is digital. Okay, so about the assessment, about the how to submit it, everything is only here in the learning system. Yeah, that's why it's make me feel I want my country sometime will be like this.
Important question. What's your go-to food at Visipol canteen? We need your recommendation for all the new students.
I always eat gado-gado and mee ayam every day.
Oh,
yeah,
that's
because
nice.
I like it.
You like the ayam geprek or no?
Yeah, ayam geprek, I like it.
You like the ayam
And
geprek?
soto.
Oh yeah, I like soto
This
too.
is so recommended for new student. If you
Yeah.
study at Visipol, just try ayam geprek and soto.
Just try ayam geprek and soto, and also the gado-gado and mie
Yeah,
ayam.
yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's good. Okay, lastly for this part, have you faced any challenges while you're studying here? Maybe the language or the culture or adjusting with the study system or friends, maybe?
Okay, for me, especially the acronyms. Sometimes some of my friends in discussion and presentation, they say that, like example, MBG or APBN, they said we can understand. So
Yeah.
I have to research it on
Yeah, in
internet.
Indonesia, we have
Indonesia.
a lot of
acronym.
Yes.
So that's why it's difficult, but step by step I can know it.
So, do you have any favorite Indonesian or Japanese word that you like to use? Maybe something funny or something that you pick from your
Especially
friends.
Japanese
What is
language.
that?
Matur nuwun.
Oh, yeah.
Thank you.
That's a
Matur
good
nuwun.
spelling of
And-
matur nuwun.
And
Yeah.
also monggo.
Oh, monggo, yeah.
I remember the two
Do you
phrases.
know the? Do you know the?
Like please, monggo.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Please, yeah.
That's
Silakan.
Okay, so before we wrap up, what message do you like to share with other international students who might be thinking about studying in Indonesia or here at Visipol UGM?
For me, if any international student want to study at Indonesia, just try UGM. It's too good. So you can,
the best
the best.
university.
Because we know as well the reputation of UGM is now is second place at ranking
Second,
university in Indonesia, and it's realistic with the system in here.
Okay, very realistic.
Yeah. Okay.
So can I?
Yeah,
Yeah.
you can.
Okay, ba kolega sir ia Timor Leste ne be makakara continuity bocor ne studu ia Indonesia how recommend tebes imi atau mai tama ia UGM atau S1 atau S2 how recommend tebes imi tambah universitas ini dia tebes no how fear kata banhira ita tama ne ita bele aprende buat barak los no diferente tebes entre estudo ne bemak yana ba antawin dena ajuda tebes ita tu desenvolve tane ang atu comprende materia sira no atu muda itania bote bebe ita karat sai realidad ia futuro mai ne duni hau rekomenda tebes kata bain hira ia informasi rumah husi pusat budaya Indonesia ia Timor Leste loke vagas rumah ka loke bolsa studio rumah kokotok atau hili ide UGM ne tambah idane dia tebes maske hau ne bolsa studio ne hetang parsial bolsa studio hau hetang 50%. Jadi hau konten di tebes, tapi hau konten di tebes kata dia idane seso kona duni no merese duni hau selo 50% tambah hau mai ini hau sinti kata botnya dia kudune. Anta hau rekomend ini kari ya oportunidade atau tamu UGM favor tamu UGM. Obrigado, Bara. Thank you.
Okay, so and one last question. If you had to rate your overall experience at Visipol from 1 to 10, what would it be and why?
For me, 9.5.
Woo!
It's
That's so high.
yeah.
And why?
Because when you come to study at UGM, especially Visipol, you can have a lot of experience here and you will enjoy every moment you study in here. So Visipol is the best.
Wee. And how about you?
Okay,
Seth?
for me, I think, especially in my department, in Visipol, I think 10 to 10.
Woo!
Yeah, 10 to 10.
It's great.
Because what the subject that I have here is related to the what I'm looking for. So for me, I think 10 to 10. Yeah.
So it met
Yeah.
your expectation.
Me
Okay, that's a wrap. So thank you so much, Fandiano and Sergio, for sharing your stories and experiences with us. It's really inspiring, and to hear what you have adapt, made friends, and become part
Yeah.
of the Visipol community. And for
Yeah.
everyone listening, I hope today's talk give you a better picture of what life like to be an international student here at Visipol UGM. Once again, I'm Fania, and this has been Get to Know Visipol International Student. Thanks for tuning in, and see you next time!
Matur nuwun.